Okay, as I promised you guys, I told you I was destroying the alarm clock. Well, unfortunately, I only found one. It's really small. Parts of the Caribbean one. This. So, but anyway, I told you I would destroy alarm clock. Projectile alarm clock. Give me a second here. Okay, now. You know, of course, I'm safety first guy. Put on my safety glasses, and here we go. Okay, let's go get that. Wait. I didn't do any damage. So I'm gonna hit it again. Freaking damage. Okay, this time I'm gonna hit it off the ground. And I know the camera's tilted at a side, but I'm gonna do some damage. Hit it off the ground. Whoa. Maybe because this is a wooden bat. But I promise you guys, I did destroy something. I destroyed all the buttons inside of it. Okay, now, I'm gonna hit it again. Hit it again. Now, 1 second. See, since I made this custom tripod stand, I gotta adjust it a lot. Alright, so, here we go. Let's go get it. Gotta go get it. Okay, I'm busting on the sides. Okay, I'm putting it back on the trailer now. So, alright. Alright, give it. Ooh, that done it. Busted a hole straight in the side. Straight in the side. I'm gonna do it one more time off of this. Then I'm gonna stop the video and destroy it totally. And then I'm gonna make a video of that. Okay, one more off the trailer. I'm enjoying this. Okay. I'm swinging really hard this time. Why are you looking at me, huh? Why are you looking at me funny? That's it. Okay. Oh, I busted his head in. Where the projector goes, busted that in. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys one more hit off here. Then I'm gonna destroy a little more. Ooh, I busted that sucker up. Okay. Here's what happened. Okay, just because of this, I'm gonna get one more hit on it. See what I can do. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, now it's basically hanging by this. Alright, that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you later.